We're here with the Rainforest Adventure. See, it's behind me. Rainforest. Hold on. I gotta cover this up because I'm getting out of the cars.
You know what?
Okay.
Where did I put my wallet?
We're walking. Oh,
No,
wow.
no.
Okay. I'm gonna get underneath this thing that's like protecting me. There's the slimmest little line protecting. It's not going well. Okay. I have somebody now. Who makes this open? Who does that? Okay, we're in. The amount of stuff. This is fun. It's amazing.
Now go put the necklace back up and get the little thing.
Hold on, guys. Okay, we were walking by people and I didn't want to like put people out. Okay, I can show you guys my hair now. It's really, hold on. It's really like messy. It's bluish green. What else do you expect, Mom?
What, baby?
We just walked into the place and Mom said it stinks with a bunch of animals. What else do you expect? Please tell me. What else do you expect?
For it not to be stinking.
It's a room. By the way, that's my mom. Anyways, it's a room of like animals. There. Look at it. Look at it. There's a cool dinosaur back there. Do you see it? Look at the dinosaur. Look at the dinosaur. Okay, zoom in or out. Look at the dinosaur. There's a dinosaur. Mama, look. Look, Mom. We get to see dinosaurs. We get to see dinosaurs. Just kidding, we don't. But yeah, my hair is blue, so you might not playing tricks on you. My hair is blue. I put hair chalk in it. You might not, if you're watching this and I'm not already been to school, you may not see me at school like this. I have my camera. It's not, I'm not going to be able to film on this though because it's just like me. I'm not going to be able to film on this.
You hungry, Jenna?
No.
Yeah. Good thing.
I didn't hear you a word you said.
A bag of feed for animals.
Oh, we're getting a bag of animal feed and they asked me if I was hungry. Okay. I'm going to get back with you guys whenever we actually get in the animal room, so hold on. Okay, we're not actually in the animal room yet, but if we want to go crazy, we could always come back for more food. We get to see animals! We got 2 bags of food. Okay, we're walking in. Oh my gosh, there's some monkeys! I saw monkeys! Did you see that?
Look at him.
Look at him!
It looks like he's meant to be left alone so he
Oh
can
my
nap on
gosh.
this rainy day.
Okay, next animal. Where's the next animal? Oh, right here. People probably think that like he's staring at me. He was dead staring at me.
This is a brown.
You missed it. He's awake.
Back asleep.
This was still videoing and I didn't know. Hi. These are alive and can attack us.
Talk to him, Jenna.
Yay. Hello.
That never said hi.
Animals. They rule. They're amazing. I don't like walking. Mommy! Oh my gosh, look at this one!
Oh, they're so cute.
Oh my gosh, look at this one! And their food bowls are bigger than that.
It's moving around.
Oh, I want one! I want one! Oh my gosh! This is my dream! Oh, I want one! Oh! Oh!
That's more than Jenna. Give me back.
Just took its food. Look at it. Oh, he's going back for more. It's like, wait, I want food too.
That's Morgan and Jenna.
This is going to go back and get more.
That monkey just straight up stole his food.
Look, and I dropped it and came back to steal more.
dropped his?
He dropped it. He's gonna go.
Hey,
steal
Budro,
more.
get down there and get
He's
it.
bored. He's watching this
He's
one, waiting
watching to
get
make
more.
sure it's gonna get more.
I want to see that one jump back up there. That one's getting more, and that one's waiting to get more. And that one. The only probably tired of this, but
I
I'm
think
still.
this one's just staying down here and eating now.
Okay,
can be
that's
his
enough
own.
of this animal.
Yeah.
Hold on, guys. Okay, if you don't like snakes,
All over the parrot.
look away, but there is no words for that one. That one's scary.
It's like a
Oh,
miniature kangaroo.
there's
Oh, did I have a
baby.
picture made with a kangaroo? Didn't you?
I did. I had my picture made with a kangaroo. Okay, we're seeing what's in here because that one is just sweet and kind and beautiful. Whoa! This place keeps scaring me.
What's that, Jenna? That's fake. He ain't alive. He ain't alive.
Can I tap on the glass to see?
No, don't tap on the glass.
Guys, comment down below if you think he's alive. I don't think he's alive. Comment down below if you think he's alive. I think he's alive. I got mixed feelings about that one. I don't like that one. Let's move on. Oh, that one scares me. I don't like it. Comment down below if you think he's alive. Who's in? This one saw me freak out, turned over, and was like, "What's that girl doing?"
Look at the ones up there in the corner.
Oh my gosh, dude! Okay, we'll get to see this one better through the other window, so we'll wait on that one. But yeah, there's that one. Oh, these are so cute. They're all eating. Just okay, that one's just bored. There's some are just eating. This is fun. I'm not kidding. Like, this is straight up fun. But on this one, on the other hand, is still motionless. It's not moved. That's fine.
Watch this. Just try to keep the parrot away from the food. Watch him.
And this is now turned into a nature program.
Watch him.
No. He's like, no, my food. Get out of here. So, yeah. This one's fun. This is like, I thought this was going to be boring. But my time's almost up, so I got to pause. Hold. I won't drop my phone. Okay, hold on. I got to pause now. Mom's back at the mini monkeys, and we thought we lost her. This is another snake. So if you don't like snakes, again, look away. But here it is. That one's really long. There's its tail. It wraps around that tree, goes around that tree, and it's up there. Oh my gosh, there's another one. Oh my gosh, there's another one in there. It's right there. And then there's another one in
Monkeys, they're
there.
moving around everywhere.
Okay, now these monkeys are really movement.
Hello.
There's another one. Hi. Hey. Hey, buddy. Go get Mimi.
He's moving his tail, ain't he?
Hey, buddy. How you doing?
Mom,
Oh.
then I want you.
What? Hi. Hey, buddy. He's just sitting there.
She wants you to
Eat his tail. Look at him. He came right up to me and started eating his tail. There's her up there just
He keeps
running around.
keeping his tail in that stuff and then biting it. Watch
Yeah.
him.
Watch. He'll dip his hand in it. Well, these monkeys are just fun. Look at this one.
I'm speaking of his butt.
Okay, bye for now. This is another snake warning. If you hate snakes, please do not look at this. There's so many to show you here. Okay, so there's one in here. This is a hog island boa constrictor. This one, next one, is a blue-tongued skink. Mom! Mom!